Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make a yarn ball. The only thing that you're going to need is some yarn. As usual, I have the yarn that I'm using listed down below. So to begin, you're going to take the yarn that you want to ball up and you're going to hold it in your hand, and I usually hold the end of it with my pinky. And then you're going to just start loosely wrapping that yarn around your hand. You definitely don't want any tight tension here, as you're going to be taking the yarn off your hand in a little while. So you're going to just keep wrapping until you have a good amount of yarn on your hand. So then, like I mentioned a little second ago, you're going to grab that yarn and you're going to take it off your hand. You're going to hold it together so it doesn't come loose. You're then going to squish it down. And you're going to take the end of your yarn and you're going to start wrapping it around that yarn that you pulled off. You're going to keep wrapping it and rotating the yarn in your hand, and this is how the yarn ball is going to form. So you're just going to keep rotating it, you're going to keep wrapping, and that yarn ball is going to start rounding itself off and forming. And you can rotate it any way you want. You can like turn it around and start wrapping. You can, any way you want. There's no wrong way. And as you can see, my little yarn ball is starting to form and get round. So that is going to be how you make a yarn ball. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me any feedback for some future videos that you would like to see. Please like and subscribe to see more from me. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.